Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use green screen in iMovie. So this is my video of my Sky Go walkthrough, and I have this little bit here that I want to put on it. So obviously it's got the green background and I want this to show in front of the Sky screen here from the Apple TV. So what you do is get your video, drag it onto there, whatever your background is for the green screen, and then here where it says cut away, click that, and then click green/blue screen, and as you can see it's now green screened it. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a little walkthrough of Sky Go on, so I will be turning the sound off for that. But yeah, so that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.